it's not a glue of such. It's like a welding agent, I tell people. But there's so many different ones.
Look at them all. They're like Skittles.
I've got a selection here, and I want you to tell me about each and every one. So what I'm going to talk about today, I wanted to talk about something basic, something critical, and something that I want to be educated more on. And it's model glue or model cement. It's not actually an adhesive, is it?
No.
It's not a glue of such. It's like a welding agent, I tell people. So it doesn't actually stick your fingers together or glue your eyelids shut like super glue or CA, which I use a lot in RC. But this is cement, so it actually reacts with the plastic and like welds it.
Yes.
But there's so many different ones.
Look at them all. They're like Skittles.
I've got a selection here, and I want you to tell me about each and every one.
All right. Let's
Why should I use them? Why shouldn't I use them? What's your personal favorite?
My personal favorite. Well, your standard two are definitely your Tamiya cement and Tamiya extra thin cement.
They're definitely the higher sellers.
Yes.
And we sell hundreds of these. We'll go to Overhead 10. We'll have a quick squeeze and see what you are talking about. So let's have a look at these two. So I've got the white one in my hot little hand over here.
So that's your basic.
Slightly out of focus, but that's because I'm operating the camera. That's pretty normal. 40 mil. Now, how many model kits am I going to get out of this?
Countless.
Really?
I think I maybe bought 2 in my life.
Really?
I think I've only bought 2. If you use it properly, you'll get countless out of it.
No good for Thursday night sippers, though, is it?
No.
No.
I don't even know what that is.
No. But
you'll get heaps. Honestly, heaps of model kits out of one bottle.
And it's really cheap. And this is your go-to. This is the regular.
That is the regular
viscosity.
And we'll show you.
And how long do you need to, like, what's the activation time or its gluing time? I don't know what you call it.
Before the parts are fully set?
Yes.
I mean, a good 12 to 24 hours really is when it's fully set. You'll have put the pieces together with the glue and they'll stick to each other within a couple of seconds.
Yep.
But they will still be able to move. Don't put pressure on them. Don't put them under weight. But after 24 hours, it's a lock tight. Absolutely. It's still a little brittle, but it's the best we have, really.
Good.
It's plastic.
All right, and show us the one that you're holding, and what's the difference between them?
Well, let's see. Bring your lid out, and I'll bring my lid out, and let's see.
Just
hold them onto the camera.
Just the tip.
Just the tip. Where am I?
Over here, mate.
Over here.
We can touch.
Can we touch tips?
You've got a little tip.
I do have a little tip, and you've got a big tip. That's probably the key difference between our white one and our green one here. Yeah, it's the same cement, but the smaller tip. So you want to use your bigger one, the white one, on big pieces, fuselages, wing roots, things like that. The smaller green cement for your cockpit, your delicate parts, where you don't need heaps of glue. You just need that tiny little bit of glue.
But it's also like thinner, right? I can see that it's like slightly thinner.
It's slightly thinner.
I can see that it's
slightly
thinner. It does say
extra thin.
Is it? It's not faster acting.
No, it's not fast acting. It's also really good for the capillary action.
Yep.
So when we have our 2 pieces together already, we just touch the glue on there and it runs into all the little gaps.
And then I've got the other hottie from Tamiya.
That's the quick set.
The quick set. So that's the extra thin quick set.
Correct, quick set. And that will...
So this one will have the little tip.
That does have a little tip, same as a green friend here.
Yep.
But the fumes will evaporate quickly and set the pieces within 2 seconds.
Yep, 2 seconds.
That doesn't mean you can put them under weight. It still does need to really cure, but it will stop pieces falling off and disappearing into the carpet.
So you can like tack it together as you're going.
Yep.
There you go. Okie dokes. So these I think are the 3 most popular glues in the shop.
Definitely.
These are the go-to, and these are... Now tell us what this one is here, because I know that a lot of people get onto this one. This is from Mr. Hobbies.
Yeah, so as you can see, this one is, black.
Blackety black.
And that's great for seeing where the glue has been placed, because obviously these glues are quite see-through. They're basically water. They look like water.
I would say they're transparent.
Transparent, that's the word. Transparent.
And this one is like a panel wash.
Yeah, it does act a bit like a panel wash. And
smells completely different too.
Yeah, it does have a funny
smell.
Doesn't it? Oh, that's strong, isn't it? You can smell it.
That's good.
You can smell it from here. You know you're using it.
these might be good for Friday night sippers. There you go.
I know what those are.
There you go.
That's great. If you just want to be able to tell where the actual glue is, the black ones are great. Similar to, you can also get black super glues.
Yep.
And it's just another way of identifying that you put the glue where you need it, where you want it.
Pour type black, fast drying, high strength, low viscosity.
Yeah.
Mr. Cement SPB. And I'm tipping the B. I'm only guessing, but that is probably for black.
No, it's bumblebees.
Bumblebees?
Tiny bumblebees in there.
Tiny bumblebees. Killer wasps. And it's got a medium-sized tip.
Does have a medium-sized tip. It's got a lot of range on it. Look at the size.
A lot of depth.
Look at that. It's got some range.
And also, if you need to, did you know that you can pull the tips out? Say in your Tamiya one, you can.
You were saying that.
You can actually pull the tips out and get a bit more out of it instead of having to shake your can. Now, what's this one? What am I holding here? This is another product by Tamiya.
Yeah, you're holding the low odor version.
This is the one that Tony Gray should probably be using. The low odor, unlike him.
Well, we were just talking about the odor with our black one here, which is quite intense.
You can smell it from over there.
Open that one, straight up to the nose, no odor whatsoever. Nothing.
It does. It really doesn't smell.
There's nothing there. I'm actually really impressed with it.
I suppose it'd be a. I mean, I'm sure you definitely wouldn't drink it, and I'm sure it's highly toxic.
Yes.
But if you're like a kid getting into it, maybe it's like a safer option.
That's possible.
Because I know a lot of the glues do give people headaches and stuff, right?
Yeah.
If you prolonged use. So they have a low odor one. There you go.
There you go, low odor. There's my favorite one though.
And if you are getting headaches and stuff, Tamiya have got you covered there too. They have got these two puppies right up here. Lemon. And it's funny that you like them because
it's my favorite.
Kobe hated them.
I love them.
That's good.
It smells like modeling to me. When I think modeling, I think of this smell.
And these ones do smell like citrus.
They do, citron.
Yeah. It does. It smells
lovely.
Smells like sherbet.
That's sherbet.
There you go. So, and these come in also a extra thin
and the regular.
And the regular.
Yeah.
And it's a little bit higher viscosity, the regular one.
Yes.
That is thin. And is the tip got the thin tip in it?
Does have a thin tip and a thick
extra
tip.
Thin, yeah. There you go. So it's not only about the viscosity, it's also about your tip size.
Tip size.
Tips matter.
As they say.
Yep.
As they say.
Tip lives matter.
Yes.
So there is a rundown on some of the glue. So your favorite is the lemons.
I do like the lemons.
Yep.
I quite like the smell.
Maybe and you'll use both of them for the different applications.
Yeah, for the heavier, as I said, the big joins, wing roots and fuselages. And then the little ones are just the tiny pieces.
So there's no wrong cements. No. They're just different, right? You've got to find the one that you like the smell of. I should ask Jack. We should actually do a poll. When people are coming in, what's your favorite glue?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
We'll do a poll. We'll take a Hearns Hobbies poll. We'll get people's thoughts. It's trying to pick up. I need to go too. I need a bigger hand.
There we go.
Daniel's selection of the day.
This is